7-8, we dey move. Every step, my feet they touch the ground, I feel her. 730 kilometers. No be small thing, but we dey go from village to village, door to door. Waiting we carry a message.
Sanibonani ekhaya, igama lami MK. It's another episode bafethu. Remember we are on Leadership Inside, and we are on season 2 basically, and this year the theme yethu it's accountability. And today we've got the Krutman guy. He is an active member basically. Yeah. Yeah, MK. But today we're not going to base a conversation here on the MK. We're just going to actually get to know him. Even though the theme to kui accountability, he's not here to account yet. We just want to know him kala. He goes by the name of Uputunjabulo Mnandi Krutman.
Mnandi Uputumtala.
Izinto. Aman Krutman nyabonga man basically ukuthi ngishayile ka ndifanda ke sobana le conversation le. Basically. Yeah, ne I just want to get to know you, I just want to get to know you, especially with your political journey. Yabo. So let's go back to our basics. Ubani kahle kahle, uzalwa ubani or uzalwa ngabobani, and how you got into politics.
Great. Firstly, zothanda ukubingelela nami cha ubabukele ekhaya, and to you I'd love to appreciate the chance ukuthi usibize la ekhaya namhlanje.
Thank you.
Udomdala. Ngegama ngonjabulo wakwaSinahome. I'm pretty sure ukuthi besekazile previously Udomdala uThado. So yeah, we share the same mother and father mina naye. So Njabulo Sinahome yena uThado Sinahome.
Okay.
Ngizalwa uDumelo wakwaSinahome.
Sure.
Ngizothi umzukulu wakaMejo.
Okay.
Case as Christ I explained.
Yeah, he did.
So umzukulu kaMejo. Then from the mother's side ngizalwa uSharon wakwaMuthwa.
Okay.
Yes. Umntana kaJulius Muthwa, a former councillor lo kya kudala ngenkathi zezimbi.
Yeah.
Yes, umkhulu yilabantu bokuqala advocatela for ama taxi industries la eThokoza ukuthi abe khona. He was part of those people. So yeah, siphuma nje ku family strict esinde between politics, sports and everything. So kuhlangene nje ekhaya.
Yeah, ne.
But basically ngikhulela khona la eThokoza, nokufunda kwami ngifundela eThokoza uMkhathizwe, went to Ilandulwazi for a secondary, then I went as far as eJoburg eDamelin for a tertiary level. Asuke eDamelin ngaye ePitori to further my studies. Then from there azange sakwazi ukuceda ePitori due to unforeseen circumstances, but ngabuya. But manje I'm planning on going back futhi ngiyoqhubeka la ngishiya khona.
Okay.
Sikwazi ukuqhubeka for yona le political career, hence I chose politics as my career. Recently because ukukhula kwami bengumuntu okusport, bengidlala ibhola kakhulu, bengisepolweni uDJ sinini ngithola ku music, angiculanga mina lo. Hayi ezomcula hayi mongathi manje ngiculela hayi ngizobhima ngabheka maka ngizobhima but ngike instrument siyaphambili ngesaxophone. That's the only thing engiyazi instrument kuma instruments it's saxophone since ngisonta eFBA njengomuntu omdala shini. But ku politics I started a journey of politics ngo 2023 December. It was 16. Fresh.
Yeah, was as a fresh.
Bengithanda politics but from a distance.
Okay, cool.
Actually bengithanda but ngizonda deep down because of lezi zinto esiyenze zona siyabantu abamnyama.
Okay.
And more especially ubabami as umuntu ewalwa kakhulu ngekhathi ezimbi, but ngokuya kwesikhathi mezi evolve you find that ukuthi labantu laba bathola ngalezi zinto ebekumele bazithole for le struggle abasilwele. So amasoja lawa bawaphethe ibhamu ngekhathi ze struggle abe neglected. Abantu abahamba for front yilaba bebafunda ngekhathi ze struggle yiba bahamba phambili manje ngepolitics. which is into eyenza ukuthi ngizonde ipolitics. Actually ngazonde iANC to be precise. Not yona yonke but izinto eziyenzile.
Yeah.
Yayithola. Nokuthi ukukhula kwethu kube ngalendlela kuyiwo. Bes blame iANC. Till today I still blame ANC. But meso dive deep into our politics. Kula ubona khona ukuthi okay, not everything is ANC. It's the people within. Within. But yeah, Leo, it's a story for another day.
Yeah,
so
I
joined politics in 2023 December. Umsholozi mega announce ukuthi na indlela mina ngizovotela le organization even though I'll remain a member of the ANC. But ngizovotela umkhonto and I'll be active ku umkhonto.
Yeah.
So nami as umuntu obekathanda umsholozi ngisakhula. Because looking back ungacheka yonke into. Typical example, unemployment rate. Ngo 2005 during era ya Babu Thabo Mbeki. The unemployment youth, to be precise, youth unemployment rate, it was around 46.9%.
Okay.
Or 43.9 if I'm not mistaken. Then era ya Baba Msholozi ngo 2015 iyehlile yahlala ku 36.9. Ningangicorrecta kuma comments if I'm mistaken. Then check currently.
Boma 62 no.
It exceeds to 60. Idlala lapha kubo 62
That's
danga.
why I'm saying we are around 62 no, yeah.
So if umuntu nawo ukwazi ukubona uyabona ukuthi hayi man bekungcono ngesikhathi salomuntu. Ene umuntu uyacheka nama blesser bewakhona ngesikhathi sakabisholozi.
Yeah, ne.
Aphelelepi.
And like I do get kumakela maninzi when especially when you are speaking of indaba the unemployment rates and all of that, yabo. I'm one person who says ukuthi even though we have an unemployment rate that is this high, it's not supposed to be this high.
Yes.
Yabo. What do you think is the actual cause the unemployment rate ukuthi ibe high kangaka? I know kune corruption nana, but for us to say there's corruption, there must be something that's actually leading us to saying okay, corruption, this thing eyenzakalayo.
Yes.
Yabo. So that is why I'm asking ukuthi what do you think is like the main cause ye rate yethu ukuthi phakame kangaka?
Okay. Mina on my side I think first things first, imisebenzi, job opportunities. Imisebenzi ekumele kusebenze thina the native people kusebenza abantu bokuhamba.
Okay.
Which is bangena ngendlela engasiyona. Like ungacheka recently MK lakho bela eThembisa Olifants Fountain ngendaba zamafema acasha abantu abangale ngaphandle ngendlela engasiyo. So lento leyo process leyo ayisuki kubantu abaphethe amafema, it's from our governance, because ugovernment if yena allow amaborder ukuthi abe ngalendlela ayiyo, kuthiwa sine first and last line of defense e country which is the SANDF.
Okay.
Amasoja wethu, amasoja kumele abe deployed to ama borders as far as I know. But mozo check abantu abangena kuma border bangena ngendlela engasiyo. Manje eThokoza mesingacheck ama statistics waseThokoza eNtabansimbi, iNtabansimbi yodwa ine population elingana neThokoza as a whole. Kugcwele abantu bokuhamba abana ama ID abana ama passport, bangene kanjani ugovernment angazi. Meaning the government uya benefit from those people just ukuthi thina asazi ukuthi kanjani. But mase ngicheka, you look at ama salaries ababhadala thina abantu bokuhlala, thina we know our worth. Uyazi ukuthi mina ngu MK ngibhadala rent engaka, ngirate kangaka ngenyanga.
True.
Ngidla kangaka. But umuntu angale okuhamba le 1.5 thina ngapha esibona incane, yena meka ithumela ekhaya, it's more like 4.5, it's times 3 the amount ekuyiyo ngapha. So iningi for bona ngale. So ama company wangapha akhetha laba aprefera labantu bangale ngaphandle because aba-charge less bababhadala straight esandleni other than thina laba ekumele basifakele yona ebhenki mengene ebhenki inama-charges ngiyabuya ngiyacomplain ukuthi angeke mlo iyangidla le charge so kumele ungikhuphulele ama-UIF uyayibona ama-medical aid kuningi umuntu wangale akanawo wonke lawo ma-benefits thina esiwatholayo so mesizocala sicheke ngamabhoda kuqala indaba yethu abantu abangene ngendlela engasiyo kuqala kwalunga lapho believe you me i-unemployment rate izoncipha because look at amafema la e-Alroad lamafema maningi ngalendlela ukuthi angasicasha iThokoza iSprite Phosphorus even neGemiston Albertine zonke zihlangene sikwazi ukuthi sine youth elapha isebenzayo fully so akushoti umuntu but muzo yalapha kucela abantu baseSoweto Thembisa they even go as far as Limpopo yiba abantu abaphethe ama portfolio decisive muzoba imanager usuke Limpopo ngeke ucashe umuntu ohlala la eThokoza umazi lapha kunomfweni olambile emakhaya uzolanda umfweni umfake la so nepotism at some point iyaslimaza so igovernance yethu mengaqinisa imithetho endabeni zamabhoda kuqala i-youth unemployment rate izoncipha bese basilungisela indaba ye-free education believe me saye ezikolweni sizokwazi ukuthi sibe nama-profession qualified ngokwephepha.
Do you not think ukuba like already we have a free education in fact?
We had
yeah okay
we once did
okay
yeah advocateelwa uBonkosi Khanyile which is now our national mobilizer umkhonto wesizwe.
Okay,
I think it was 2017 abuBonkosi Khanyile ibe bebalela indaba ye-fees must fall free education umsholo sibeka sase president wayiphasisa kwaba namabhazari yabo NSFAS nazo zonke lezi zinto lezi GCRA yes so during that period akamsholozi leyo nto yaphasiswa besina free education but it takes isikhathi mesihamba yachokwa indaba ye-COVID cala basivala nge-COVID amehlo then after a period of COVID by enforce imithetho emishe strict free education bese ingesekho free you had to pay for almost everything manje umntana osesikolweni ohola iNSFAS kunokuphela 6 months yonke angayitholanga ayoza ayithola after 9 months why lama studies lawa during the month ubhadalelwa ubani ama textbooks wathenge ngani mukucala so ayikho free that education.
Okay.
And also again after mosocedile ukufunda you still gonna pay more sebenza bazoyideducta le mali leyo ukuthi remember besikufundisa siNSFAS so it's not free
yeah basically bakugay loan
kahle it's a loan
okay now I get it when you're saying that as now a very free education. I'm thinking of lama mostly our students akuma your FET colleges and stuff yabo because obviously zizo colleges is closer nathi especially ka emalokishini and you'd find ukuthi during isikhathi se registration and kuya flood abafethu kuma colleges and then xa sekuregistiwe yonke into is approved NSFAS ikhiphile imali abantwana baya drop out. Yeah. So like what is the plan that because we are fighting for this free education and the new government uyasinikeza uyasibhatalela and still thina we are not taking the opportunity siyisebenzise yabo even though siyazi ukuthi sikhulumela labo abafuna ukuyisebenzisa the opportunity there's still those people abayinikezwayo still but abangayisebenzisi. What is the plan kada because vele as much as we are complaining about education that is not free, remember it was free but sign misuser imali yakhona yabo khambani what's the way forward according to indlela ocabanga ngayo ezumuntu omusha.
I think as umuntu omusha
as umuntu omusha it's not it's not from a political party
yes,
or anything.
yes,
No,
yes,
we are just
yes. It's
conversating.
just my own capacity.
Yeah, please.
I think into ekumele yenziwe ukuthi during the learning process mawuqala, let's say uyofunda kwi-marketing, yenza marketing,
Okay.
uzoyiqala i-marketing, akube yi-practical and theory at the same time, because if I only do i-theory uzonginika iphepha mem, mengifika endlini I go to ChatGPT, I type every question or ngisho i-question paper, ChatGPT ngipha wonke lama answers. So fana nokuthi sengifundelwe i-ChatGPT mina ngenzanga next, then come isikhathi sokuthi sekumele ngiyohlala phansi etafuleni ngiyoyibhala manje lelo ngiyabaleka, ayikho into engiyaziyo lapha, ngiyohlala phansi ngibhaleni ngingazi next, ngapha imali nesifasi isanda ngena imonth end, no budget amabhiya yabantu, amabhiya yabantu isikolo sizosibona egcineni, it's just a theory. But most of our TVETs, what I've noticed it, kuya ngokuthi uyenza yiphi course.
Because even ama TVETs bakhuluma bhayo ukuthi we do practicals
Yes.
more than theory.
Yes.
Kudependa ngokwe course
Kuya
oyenza.
ngo-course.
But man kugcwele theory da.
Lapha kucela theory.
Kugcwele
Truth
theory.
be told, kugcwele
Yeah,
theory.
kugcwele
Hlezi kuya
theory.
nesikhwama esigcwele amaphepha. Kugcwele theory.
Yeah,
lapha.
kugcwele theory.
So
bhaya.
lawo maphepha you was frustrated.
Yabo. And then okay, I know. As let's asingahlasela ama colleges, but kugcwele theory.
Yes, kugcwele theory da. So look at impact yaleyo theory
Sure.
to economy country. Ayenzi next. But
next.
you look at ama countries afana nabo China, for instance. In China there's less of theory and more of practical. Then check ama innovations wase China. Look at the economy wase China, growth yalapha.
Yes.
They always come up with something new. Remember, youth yiyo ekuyi-future, yithi esiza nama-ideas amasha.
Amasha, yeah.
So
yeah.
if i-youth is neglected,
aku-invest
kungekho ndawo kunga-investwa kithi, sizwabheba ama-ideas wethu. So hlala emakhoneni sizibhemele iy'ntashi zethu and what not so ever nayo yonke lento. So nje indaba ye-theory, let's go for practical. I-theory singayifunda primary, it's the basic stage, isifunde zonke lezi zinto, ama-verbs, proverbs, khuluma, understand isingisi, ukufunda, yayibona. Then masofika high school, grade 8, grade 9, so uyasharp nalapho nalapho. From grade 10 aziye ku-practical straight, sihlukane nje ne-theory. Ukwazi ukuthi wena mawuthi matric uceda ubambe certificate, uphethe certificate esihamba ne-experience.
Yeah.
Rather than ukuthi uyothi mawuceda uye university, you further your studies 5 years yonke uphathe doctorate, uyabuya ne-doctorate, moya emsebenzini uyo-apply. Remember, uceda isikolo na 18, so na 23 manje. Uye e-university. Uyo-apply abakufuna i-experience 5 years. Hambi uyenza le experience 5 years, so na 28.
And then espan kube kusithiwa ngapha we are taking from 18 years.
18 to 26.
18 to 26.
Uphathwa inhloko.
Yeah.
So that's also enye problem either to unemployment again.
Okay.
Indaba yokuthi ne-youth endala, it's being neglected. By saying youth endala, I mean people from between the ages of 28 to 45.
Yeah.
Labo bantu labo monga check ama learnership, internship, ama job opportunities. Leo age group ayibalwa.
True.
Bayikhathile. So ikhathwe from i-workspace esikolweni abasafithi, uye parliament kunabantu above the age of 60. But laba between the space less, which is yiba abantu abaningi ukundlula lama age group lawa amanye ayi-2 e-country.
Yeah.
Ba-neglected. So ngokuneglectwa kwale age group nayo i-create i-gap kwi-innovation e-country, because le knowledge may suka from le age group yalabantu bama-early 80s to say meliye kuma-90s, from 90s iza kithi ama-2K,
Yeah,
then from thina so indlulisela phansi. But if kuscratchwa lama-90s ithi 80s to 2K angeke sizwane. izo-contradictani information.
Yeah, true.
Wena uzongizela ngoBrenda Fassie, mina ngiza ngoFafastra oyisikhothane.
Uyabona?
uFafastra mfowethu uyashisa currently, wena ungitshela ngoBrenda Fassie.
Brenda Fassie.
Wait a minute. So nje kuningi kumele sikulungise kule country, but if we can wake up as young people, sihlangane sifane namanye ama country. Look at your Kenya. Yanyiwa ngali youth ihlangene yazimela ngenyawo yathi no, we are advocating for izinto eziso sifuna lokhu source yabantu abasha. Kuyenzeka. But nathi as young people sikwazi ukukhuluma kuphela, sibuye sihlale phansi ngithathe ifone TikTok.
Sure.
Ngine ngokukhuluma zange ngaya ngayo talent le. So nathi kumele siphinde sikhombe ukukhula kwethu so that bazokwazi ukuthi basithembe ngalawo ma opportunities. Lawo wona lawo ma TVET colleges. Mawukhulile angeke uzowazi ukuthi okay, me I'm looking at the bigger picture. Ngifuna ukuba umuntu oso. Imali eNSFAS iyangena. Mengizo drop out manje. Ineye labantu laba engizobe ngiphuza nabo maye. Ngenze ukuthi babe bakhulile mina ngikuphi. Usasendlalini. Awuna nephephanyana. Then kusasa mina nya image is something nyana politically. Njabulo mfethu sikhule sonke unaliphi iphepha dog sibone ukuthi sikubhesha
faka yeah
yayibona into njalo. You dropped out ngenxa yamabhiya.
Khumbula masikhuluma ngale ndaba ye unemployment kunye nepani ezinikezwa like abantu abahambele ne why am a politicians or am a political party members abaya athanda ukuhlasela amafemu bakukhulunywa ngendaba zama unemployment bathanda ukuhlasela amafemu where kucashwe abantu mostly abangama general workers and then you'd find ukuthi those people abanama qualifications bona are not being accommodated mhlawumbe ngama I don't know what to call it kamanyathelo like enwathathayo going to amafem niyo doidoya da doing all those things ukuthi khiphana ama foreigner blah 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 and then nifaka abantu bethu abantu abanama qualifications from varsities and stuff bafeel ukuthi nebavala ngaphandle because there's never a time where you would go to these big companies and then ni strike and say indlela ni hire ngayo it's not fair for our graduates and stuff because we are I want to kakhulu nami kulezi zama firm izinto because sahlala sikhuluma ngazo I wanna speak kakhulu ngalama companies amakhulu that are actually looking into hiring ama graduates and stuff yabona ngendlela isystem eseyenza ngayo ngoku especially with izinto zama BEEs and stuff ama companies have gotten their idea yoku apply la their funding where you will take ama interns e company yabo and then usebenzise wona for their contract 12 months and all of that ngokunokwabo bathi balwa into unemployment whatever yabo and then ama companies awasaqasha abantu permanent because now there's these interns ezizoza and do the work because ziyenza lo msebenzi bozoyenzwa ngabantu aba permanent so instead of maybe hiring 100 abantu aba permanent maybe they will hire maybe 10 and say okay le 10 le esinayo le 10 is going to supervise umsebenzi ozoyenzwa yilama interns la to make sure that the company is profiting ngendlela sharp. Remember ukuthi those interns are not being paid by a company zibhadalwa ile funding that a company etholile yabo what happens to a profit eyenzwa a company because their profit leyana government has nothing to do with it because obviously company ibhadala tax ngendlela ekumele ibhadale ngayo but then the profit layer iyakuphi bakhathile abantu from a company because now we are going to have ama interns azoba more we do not need these people abazoba permanent because bazo replace ipani zabo yabo that is a good thing but still yababhayizisa because now kuvuka ama internships kakhulu but izipani ezipermanent ebantwini ziyadrop yabo so I think zezinye izinto especially ama politicians or ama political parties that are fighting lezi zinto ze unemployment izinto abangazibhekanga I don't know ukuthi is it because kucampaignwa emalokishini isikhathi esibhaya and abantu ababhaya vele elokishini basibhana emafemini, so that's why focus ibe la combine.
Yazi uceda highlighter one big issue or one big thing ebengayinaki. But njobo so highlightile, I think i221
sure
lama company somehow abaleka indaba zokuba secured ngabantu bo permanent, eventually une job security nama benefits amaningi.
Yeah.
So mekuzothiwa saxosha sizolahlekelwa imali eningi, but if we intern maybe ungazitholela nje ibenefit ye medical aid, then that's it.
I don't even think by
Nayo I'm not sure because intonyana ya 12 months
yeah
kwa UIF yalapho intonyana encane because kufana ukuthi awholi ni baningi. It's more of like a learnership of some sort because uyohola leso stipend. It's not a basic salary.
It's not a basic salary.
A stipend.
And a stipend esemali eze ngefunding.
Uyayibona.
See ukuthi zi profits zalo msebenzi
For
oyenza.
company. So na i-company khona kubalekayo.
Yeah.
Khona kubalekayo, but nenye into futhi kumele si conscientize nathi as abantu ebama politicians. Good. If sizoya ku lama company lawa makhulu, we need to have a clear background about that company.
Okay.
Because remember inkulu
Yeah.
bazazi indaba zabo, banamaloya bana yonke into, bas sorted, ba ready for anything ezendleleni yabo. So nathi mesizwe lapha we have to have, kumele sibe ne research thoroughly ngalendlela leyo ukuthi sazi ukuthi okay nina this is what you are violating and that and that and that, indlela yenu yokucasha kanje. So naba abantu sinabo sicela kulungiswe so. Then I believe in that manner izinto zingakhona ukusolveka and find a common ground. But if sizoyi-attack ngemena yasemafemini sizobhekana ne-problem. Sizobhekana ne-problem because you look at amafem, amafemini kugcwele thina vele, thina sisifundele lokishini sine-matric most.
Yabo sure.
Nabo laba banama-qualification siyaya nawo ama-qualification wabo emafemini. To say mesifike efemini ukuthi okay last petty qualification esolo umuntu bekayenza into ekanje boiler making or what. Samfaka lapha as HOD or as manager or as pays qualification yakhe imbeka lapho kuleyo certain position.
Yeah.
If qualification yakho ithi uyi-manager yomele silwele ukuthi uyohlala as a manager. We cannot afford ukuthi uyoba yi-general worker but uphethe amaphepha alingana we.
General, I mean, yeah, I'm a general worker and I'm qualifications akhona
And maningi
ama general worker and ama qualifications, and uthola ukuthi even abantu abareporta kubo ba way qualified ukundlula bona. That I know. Yo last if I'm in this pane kuyo last time ngisebenza kwenye department baletha umntwana wengamla ufail imatric bamletha ukuthi azoba i-supervisor ye-department ye-timber yabo. I tell you amajita baya furious da ngokuthi kumele sifundise lo mntwana isipani in just because ingam. So I don't know man, I feel like ngendlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo thina abantu abaphuwa it's like kumele sibe poor more so that abantu aba-rich bazoba rich kakhulu.
Yeah, we are still oppressed.
Look at nama claims of Elon Musk kuno yabo bafethi like guys keep
yazi if besingapha ma actually if lo mkhulu lo ubabwethu uJacob Zuma bekangasekho ngabe asikho, so ngabe ku worse than manje, because you look at ama politics lo capital. Okay, labantu laba boyan van Riebeeck bafike ngale 3 ships yabo lesiphuza namhlanje.
Okay,
ezibhodlela let 3 ships bafika ngayo. It was ikhwede hoop amagabe igepe la ikhwede hoof or ikhwede hoop i-dromedaries les irega SS3 bezi3 lesi dromedaries ilese besiphethe uYan van Riebeeck uye beka i-captain yalesa skip ngo 1653 if I'm not mistaken. nge-7 April or nge-6 bebalenda in the Cape Colony. So aba problems wethu aqala lapho as abantu abamnyama. But mesiloku siya 500 years later, which was ngo 1993-94, ba image abodaki baba ne right ukuthi bangavote. Savota saphatha. Ngo 98 kwavotwa again, i-ANC yathatha nge 2/3 majority. Yasifeyila lapho. That's why ANC is failure khona. Ithathe nge 2/3 majority yahlula ukuchinja i-constitution ukuthi ifavor umuntu omnyama.
Yeah.
Kungukuthi for like 500 years we were oppressed. Nina niyaphatha and still nisahluleka ukuchinja lento lebe kuyiyo. Shukuthi nina nikhondona le yanto yalabantu laba. The white monopoly capitalist.
Yeah.
So i-ANC mezophatha kungena uMandela. Alright, fine, uMandela I recognize him as one of the great, but naye nyamkhomba still cause naye uSlimazi. But the biggest thing ayidlalilena ukushila umsholozi, cause mina the way ngibona ngakhona mekushaya kuChrizane ngo 93 umsholozi was supposed to be next. Yiba abantu bebasele beba advocate indaba ye MKMVA.
Okay.
Military veteran wing ebe kuyi wing alliance ANC. So ANC ukuzizophatha iphatha because alliance ne MK. Without MK ANC bengeke iphatha. MK yiyo engena ngamasoja.
Yeyiphile MK le.
MKMV.
Because ngenda ithola lento le ukuthi abantu bathi le MK ekukhulunywa ngayo ya back then nale bathi MK1. Come on.
No. Akusi MK1. Truth be told, akusi MKE1.
A1.
Le yakudala. Okay, le MK yakudala ya disbandwa 2 times if not 3 times. I think on 1961 or 62. Now 2019 or 2021 phinde ya disbandwa futhi again.
Okay.
So le MKP, it's a party on its own. Akusese yiwing. Le yabe kuyi MKMVA, which it was a veterans alliance to ANC.
Okay.
Bekwamasoja kuphela at that time.
Okay.
But bekwamasoja ane mandate yokuthi we going to liberate umuntu omnyama through i-armed struggle, which is IBAM. Uyayibona. So thina siyangehla thina mina uzombuza ngesibhamu uzokutshela straight ukuthi ungazongicasula mina. Abantu abalwa ngesibhamu abantu bakudala. Impi yakudala neyamanje asiwage ngendlela ezifanayo. Manje siza consciously so. Dala baza ngebhamu bawina ngendlela ebawina ngayo bahluleka ngendlela ebahluleka ngayo. So ukuchubeka kwayo lempi ayisafani enangeke siweje ngendlela efanayo.
Yeah. Yeah.
So uMandela meka azoshilda umsholozi amthatha amfaka ku ANC mekushona uChrizane kula umsholozi wabuya walalisa amasoja weMK uthi no hayi asingayini siyolwa rather sifunde lento from ngaphakathi so that sizokwazi ukuyicleana cause iANC it was long date iANC from dala ingcolile iANC dala yaphathwa belungu ANC.
Sure.
Uyayithola.
Sure.
Yonke president yala eSouth Africa ya inauguratewa ibuya ku Queen Elizabeth. Even nayo umsholozi himself ubuya le eEngland. Uyayithola.
Yeah.
Even though singasho sithi bekungasinto bekayifuna, but because of the organization I lead and the greater goal analo for this country bekumela ndlule la which is undlulile la.
Yeah.
And wameka buya wabona ukuthi hayi ngeke labantu basijwayela labo labantu laba bafuna ngicompromise isisu so dark for ipeace yekhekhe ngidle ngi1 mina ipeace yekhekhe makhelwana wamabulawa indlala ngapha but siyafana ngepigmentation never.
I wish ngahlala especially nabantu abafana nabo umsholozi kanje abake baya la bayohlala nabo Queen like I want to know kwenzakalani during that process yini abakhuluma ngayo bakupromisa ini in return of what and stuff yabo. Guys, can you ask relevant questions please especially laba that abakwazi ukuhlala na these presidents babe nama sessions are so now. Like, can you guys ask Kambani clear meeting? I know there's a lot of things and be concerned nizbuze and stuff. For me, I just wanna know the clear meeting clear. Yeah, masesicela ukuthola upresident weThomusha and then kumele ayeda I would call it initiation session or something. Khambanda kuyenza kanjani?
You know izolo khona ivideo engihlangane nayo ku Facebook nalo ngiscroll. It was a video yakudala uyabona mangidala ama video yakudala. uMandela la. Uye khona lapha kubo Queen Elizabeth. Lapha ufake black robe imnyama kanje nalama sign lawa bulawa labajita laba bama Freemason and what whatsoever.
Yeah.
So lapha bamupha igama ukuthi since so accepted izinto eziso sokubiza ngeBlack Knight or Black what but looking at setup elapha uyabona mantama lento la le inama spirit le inokungcola kwayo le inokungcola kwayo
Yeah.
uyayithola so okay Mandela usebenzele ivideo singazi ukuthi uye or akusuye till today
Yeah.
but leso story soshiyela abantu abadala.
Okay.
Wangena Thabo Mbeki. uThabo Mbeki I don't recognize him personally. Yes, he was our president.
Yeah.
Lapho ngiyamnika but
Yeah, yabona yena. I think for me I still respect him. I still see him as a leader.
yes,
But yabona le decision yokuthi abantu bayenza abantwana bayenza abortion. That one for me.
that one yiyo nje nami that's my biggest turn
country da.
That's my
For
biggest
me
turn off.
kwaba i red flag da.
Kakhulu.
I was ndimncinci during that time. Yeah. Okay, so we are going kuma local elections.
Yeah, azoba interesting. Too much.
What makes you say that, man?
I think we're gonna see a lot of change.
Okay.
We're gonna see a lot of change kakhulu ayikancane futhi and I'm certain.
Is it change within the political space or within your political party?
The political space in a broader scope.
Okay.
I would say in the whole country kuzoba interesting.
Yeah.
Because you look at provinces where umnotho we country ucontribute kakhulu khona, which is KZN and Gauteng. KZN, the only organizations esingawabala lapha ama political parties ukuthi ane influence kakhulu. It's MK, your EFF, ANC, IFP, DA ayimeka kancane KZN.
Okay.
But ama politics wase KZN are determined by MK, EFF, ANC. IFP sizoyibala because it's long been a stronghold sabo KZN.
Yeah.
ANC bebhekana ne problems when it comes to my elections KZN
Because of your
IFP.
Okay.
But currently because MK emerged, now say izoba more interesting.
MK imagine the IFP.
No, MK currently there's talks between MK and EFF, which I support.
Okay.
I fully support because looking at our numbers, percently MK and the EFF KZN, you will make MK govern KZN. Then we are Gauteng. EFF manje sine key portfolio eGauteng. Baphethe finance in a provincial sector.
Okay.
So if kuzoba ne budget la kumele iphasiswe as MK, if si pasisa that budget, we voting with the EFF, not with the ANC, because vele leyo budget izoba benefit abe ANC.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
because manje sekune EFF in the picture, singayiphasisa because of EFF. Make benefit EFF eGauteng, benefit MK KZN. So idlala kamnandi, which is izoba ne impact mase siya na ku 2029 kuma national elections.
Yeah.
Because so bese sine stability when it comes to finance. EFF may phethe iGauteng angeke bahlale basivalele ngama resources.
But the way le ukuthi ama political parties asebenzisane like you are saying nge-MK ne-EFF. Has it ever worked in it before? Khona nje political party that can come forward and say sike sayenza thina with this political party and it worked for us?
I think EFF and DA coalition worked like eKuruleni before the emergence of MK again. Because you look at from 2019 until 2023, EFF beshise eKuruleni. Reason being be coalition ne DA.
Yeah.
So EFF be no udung, I think because I say finance at that time like eKuruleni. Ngapha baphethe chair of chairs which is uBudwala eKatlehong lapha wodini labo umchacho ward 55. So if banalabo bantu labo la eKuruleni baphethe those key portfolios, ba strong financially, ba strong na organizational, because bane finance from the organization sector and then political structure sabo sizoba funded through governance,
Yeah.
which will make them strong on the ground. But what make image umkhondo wahlutha ama numbers from ANC, EFF, DA wonke lama organization umkhondo uputhe so then kwavela nathi ke ama first time voters
Yeah.
ebesingakaze sivote at savele sawela khona because of uthando lomkhondo. Siyazi ukuthi lo muntu lo wakwazi ukusiliberate kancane, sayifeel I taste of liberation. Mase sizomnika yona fully kuzoba njani? Kuzoba mnandi blind. But EFF ngokuyenza coalition ne DA la eKuruleni yabasebenzela, so I can attest ukuthi it has worked before.
It has worked before.
And I can fully attest ukuthi nge-MK ne-EFF it might work again.
Yeah.
And also if the ANC can be sober, kube ANC, MK, EFF, believe me, umuntu omnyama ke umnandi country, umuntu omnyama ngaba fully liberated.
Okay.
Because lama organization oyi3 yiwaphethe ama number kakhulu abantu abamnyama, but because lama organization are divided, siyabodakhi sesihlukene, which is into abantu abelungu abayifunayo, divide and conquer. Hlukana kwethu kwalama political parties bazosifanda vele into abayifunayo ukuthi sihlukane, which I'm proud namhlanje ngalento leyo ngomsholozi ukuthi akazi wathatha any funding from the white monopoly capitalists till today. Yabona the day uMadala azothi uhleli no Rupert or there's a funding ephuma from Rupert, angahlala naye phansi and have a conversation, asazi ukuthi it will be fruitful or izoba njani.
Yeah.
But accepting a handout sekuyenye into leyo. Mina personally ngiyayeka i-organization and politics as a whole.
Yeah.
That day
I thought you were going to say we are Shinja who join our
angeke angishintshe igazi lami limnyama.
Yeah.
Lami igazi limnyama, angeke ngivuke li blue or li red or li green, I never, limnyama.
Nice one. Nice one. We are still speaking ngendaba
Local elections.
yama local elections. Yeah, uchilo vele ukuthi akuzoba late. Kuzoba late especially kule term le.
Kakhulu.
Earlier when we spoke, I think you've mentioned ukuthi you're from Ward 54, right?
Yes.
And it dominates by MK.
Yeah, Ward 54. That's our strong base.
Yeah, it dominates by MK.
Not to say lawa amanye amaward asikho strong. We are strong.
Yeah.
Sikhona kakhulu kulawa amanye amaward.
Okay.
But
what confident ngayo ukuthi
leli engiphuma kulo. Confident ngawo wonke.
Okay.
But leli engiphuma kulo le
Yeah, yeah.
Ward 54. If anyone can stand up and say kusasa sakuma local sakuma elections, kuma by elections ewardini, Ward 54 yayithatha.
sure.
Ward 52 yayithatha. Ward 53 yayithatha. I would say Thokoza sayithatha because Thokoza is strong. But not to say ukuthi lawo amanye ama organizations angeke aza challenge. Izoba khona challenge strong.
Okay.
That's all. And there's a room for disappointments also. But e54
So kula mawadi la wa mentionile, even though you confident ukuthi niyawathatha, gawapha ama political parties that you know ukuthi esiyabona abantu abaso bangasidikeza ijive in taking these words.
Okay, Ward 53 Mziyanda ANC.
Yeah.
Okay, ANC Ward 53 is active. So I'd give them that credit ukuthi I know ukuthi kuzoba challenge ANC Ward 53.
Okay.
But we are fully prepared for the challenge.
Yeah.
Then we move to Ward 57. Hey, Ward Lagatino.
Ziyakhala Ward 57.
Strong that man.
Yeah.
Strong they are out.
You're competing with 3 political parties.
A57.
A57 is active.
And I'm okay. NCC pushing it kancane. EFF no Dino. Udina ngeke ngibiza organization yakhe ngizobiza uDino.
Yeah.
Yo. Nakutshela.
Yeah,
kuzoba mnandi. Kuzoba mnandi. Nathi izosiqhuquzela isinike lento leyo ukuthi comrades we must move siye lapha ya.
Yeah.
So disrupt.
But you know, if yam is that, remember last kuma local elections were last, especially I'll speak about the Ward 57. Abantu ababhaya extension 2 ukuzwakala kayiye Phola Park abavota. Yabo. It's not like after bangavoteli ANC they said we're going to vote for EFF or EMK or EDF. Abavotanga at all. Yabo. And then abantu abaninzi abaye bavota they were from Eden Park, which is why PA yamanyathi bangaba mayithathi ward. Yabo. Now EPA has been working tirelessly ukuwina elside le Phola Park. Yabo. Once la wina elside le Phola Park, even if extension 2 iyavota ene ivotela either your EFF or your ANC, EPA
or even MK
or even MK
yes.
Again,
yes.
EPA still is in power.
Dominance.
Yeah. With their information, guys, what is the plan? Are you as EMK planning on invade it into Ward 57 or maybe anizoyibona kumanye ama elections?
I never. Asikwazi ukuthi singathi sizoyibona kwamanye ama elections.
What is the strategy? Because now you guys are left with just a couple of
more or
months.
less like 5 to 6 months. 5 months. Ngasho ukuthi 5 months currently.
Yeah.
Because ngo November very
seyiphumile date ukuthi sivota nini?
Yes. No, date I'm not sure the accurate date, but it's November.
Okay.
Term will be phela November.
Phela
So
November.
vote 1 November.
So uyayibona lengozi.
So yeah.
So within the 5, 6 months, 7 months, esele, come on, guys.
No, asina chance, but yomele sibuye on the ground. And I cannot say ukuthi sizobuya sizoyenza ama public services siyenze ini. No, currently akusisikhathi sokukhohlisa abantu ngento engeke sizikhona.
Yeah, one love, one family.
One love, one family.
Yasebenzi lezi zinto.
Yasebenzi lento lezo. Singaxabana into eserious uzodlala ngendlala yomuntu omnyama. Sixabana serious. When you come to ihanga yakataki.
Yeah.
Siyaxabana serious. Lapha usondile. Thina ungasidlala usenze noma yini but hayi umuntu omnyama. Not the constituency. So plan is to mobilize and recruit. We have no choice other than ukuthi sibuye sizama ukukhuluma nabantu bakithi ukuthi okay bafethu mesingabambisana siwumphakathi neorganization we believe ukuthi indlela yaphambili singayibona.
Sure.
Singaba minus abo unemployment izo zonke lama issues your public deliveries singayenza iplan for leyo. But if I can come alone and say ngizoni kuzoba iproblem angeke ngizothi ngizonika umsebenzi ni 1000 ngizothatha umsebenzi abantu aba-1000 but if we join hands and work together singakwazi ukuthi incobe lento. So basically kufana nokuthi uthatha umsebenzi unikeza abantu. So I strategy manje ukuthi sibuyele ebantwini sibatshele ukuthi nawo umsebenzi okhona nina nithini ngalo muntu mesithi siyamthuma ayosirepresenta for le misebenzi kanje,
Yeah.
which is lapho sesikhiphe umuntu osebantwini sesidonsa uMK owaziwayo. MK nangu MK wenu mphakathi, MK namazi siyamazi uMK. No MK mphakathi sithi thina si organization sithemba yena ukuthi ama needs nama expectations wenu ezumphakathi uzohamba yo advocateela le phezulu.
Yeah.
Not to say MK uzonika umsebenzi,
Yeah,
but
uzoyo
nina no
advocate.
MK you can advocate for lo msebenzi. Imsebenzi mningi siyazenzela umsebenzi. Manje ngaphuma la ngaphandle ngihambe ngiye government umtshela ukuthi sine project ibantu babutha amaphepha every week ethokoza yonke. Bangaka abantu sidinga ama salaries angaka. That's a job opportunity. Sahamba sokunda ubutshale imisebenzi miningi. It's just that not we are sleeping on them. Si abantu abasha.
Sifuna ukuspoon feed.
Sifuna ukunikwa kathi uyenjabulo hambe lapha uzothola ubani bana hayi sisebenza
You
kanjani.
know, you find to this day you find umuntu omusha that's still failing ukugcwalisa iform yoku-applyela umsebenzi, and yet umuntu une grade 12 in and I'm like, guys, nathi sibafundile abo grade 12. There were times
True.
where we are taught ukubhala iCV, ukugcwalisa ama
Yes.
forms and all of that.
Zonke.
Bekenzakalani kuni? Were you being kicked out of the class or khambani? Because if a person for me uzo struggle ukugcwalisa iform engivele ngizibuza ukuthi are you gonna survive mhlambe kwi-interview or in like
ila matype bewabuza isikhathi nge-second period ngubani isikhathi after school ayishayi yo ngiyadlala guys but
Yizo.
I think asifani sabantu khona umuntu okwazi ukufunda understand aphendule ngendlela eright khona ongakwazi ukinterpret.
yeah.
Like ngengasebenza kwesinye isikole ngisibize ngegama bazothi benyenze izinto ezinye, but yeah ngengasebenza lapha bengiyi-facilitator la bangena bagcwalisa amafomu bagcwalise ama-registration forms eke ngangena igroup yabothekeni abahle blind abasesowethu lo yangisalikhumbula igama lakhe makangeke ngilubize nesibongo sasikhumbula makangeke ngizibize ubaby girl ubhalile name ulibhalile surname ubhalile ID number uyayehla zithi gender uthi female ithi sex ubaby girl ukwabhala virgin wathi virgin ngayibheka le form wathi ithi sex ubaby girl uthe virgin so kusho ukuthi yena ka understand ukuthi mayithi sex isho ukuthini yo but ngaphinde ngabuya nga understand ukuthi interpretation nendlela nalapha esifunde khona. I remember thina sifunde lokushini lokushini besenza i-first editional English.
Yeah, thina besingasebenzisi usex besebenzisa ugender. Sazi gender.
Yabo thina senza ugender muzothi sex iminhlamba inhlamba so from esikolweni nakhona basilimazile ngesilungu sabo.
Imagine abakuthiwa sex and then when ucabanga ukuthi they are asking how many people you slept with, you are like
body count yami
32.
uyabona ke
32 mara emhlabeni
umhlaba lewe ungakhona uyahlaba.
yeah
Just nje nathi siyawuyeka usihlabe
yabo
sibe comfortable.
Mara Krutman lam uyabona reflecting kwizinto ezenzakalayo already, especially now that ama-term sawazophela and stuff, sekuba nama-meeting abhaya wama-service delivery in and all of that. What I have encountered personally kuwo lo ma-meetings lawo, you find ukuthi people that are representing ama-portfolios kuleyo ward leyo, yabo, abekho bafela uku-accounta, let me just put it that way, bafela uku-accounta, yabona, instead of ukuphendula imibuzo about ama-portfolios abawa-representayo, a person would rather be angry ngokuthi you guys are asking in yabona, and leyo nto leyo isukela ekubeni ukuthi when ama-political parties, okay, let's say i-MK iyayithatha what 57 and mayithatha what 57 then there's got to be what do we call these people kama ward committee ne
yes
kube nama ward committees and stuff akubi nama workshops ayenziwayo. Let's say you are representing infrastructure or you are under
sports and
recreations or whatever. Asekho man those programs where these people are going to be taken kuma workshops bayofundiswa about infrastructure so that when we are asking ama questions under infrastructure they are able to respond to us. Instead bayakwata.
That's true.
Like
no, I think is a process.
Yeah.
Yokuthi labantu ba elect. If the processes were open ngendlela yokuthi be-electwa umphakathi kube yiwo elected that committee.
Yeah.
I think ama process bewangaba ngcono. Because if kuba umphakathi siyazi ukuthi unjabulo uhlala la enkayike endaweni so unjabulo ku sports and recreation and we have a problem nge sports of ngani within indawo yethu okuhlala. We can go to Njabulo anytime. Siyomtshela ukuthi no Njabulo sine problem so then naye azama ukuyi-attend if yamhlula come back with the feedback.
Yeah.
But because uNjabulo ithe inhlangano mayimdeploy uNjabulo wayohlala eAlbertine but udeployed eWard 57 yini ozoyazi enzeke eWard 57 hlala labathile you won't care. Yayithola but nobu soft bokuthi mosongenile ku that portfolio bafake nje umuntu obekakhuluma kakhulu enhlanganweni bamsilenza bamsusa lapho uthi ayakaye lapha ukukhuluma kakhulu akahlale la. Yayithola lo muntu idanda head akazi next ukuthi kuyenzakalani ngale portfolio akayenzanga research ngale portfolio so mnikeza infrastructure so thola youth center so ifana naleya lapha eWarding 56
and for some reason I blame ama ward committees just as much as I blame a political party ephethe ngaleso sikhathi leso because the ward committee member umuntu that is super close kuyo lento le that is able to communicate with both umasipala or a political party leyo ephetheyo kunye nabahlali yabo. It's not like us complaining nge youth center ukuthi we need that place to be fixed.
They complain.
Sihlala sicomplain. Mara awazi ukuthi abazifumani messages zethu or abasizwa or abasiboni or maybe I strategy thina sisebenzisayo so complain yiso lesi yabo. And I think yabona lento leyo ukuthi we won back I-country yethu through amatoyitoy and all of that. Why kwamele yonke into for them to take us serious kwamele si protest silwe si vandalize then khana bazobona ukuthi okay now this thing is serious khane kumele siyilungise like kumele simoshe infrastructures ezingake yabo like it's been years man iminyaka mfethu sikhuluma ngendaba ye youth center ukuthi youth center even when youth center bengakabhiliki bese singasenayo access still
bekuyisonto lapha
yabo
isonto kunabo mechanic ningi lapha
nayi eholweni no kuhlala kunesonto eholweni mfethu
yayibona
amasonto they do not struggle ukuthola iholo but you are doing anything for a community then ufuna iholo
you struggle for your hayi kancane. I think nenye into cause leyo problem ukuthi as understand the two centers of power kuma organization.
Sure.
Umuntu ku government mela report ku organization like for instance imayor yaseKuruleni mele report ku chairperson owe political party yaleyo mayor. If mayor we MK mela report ku commander Mchajo which is chairperson wethu wala eKuruleni former chairperson wala eKuruleni. So meyizoba njalo thina as a constituency siyazi ukuthi umuntu ohlezi at close to thina ohlezi ahlala abamba ama meeting umchajo if siyohlala nomchajo ku political meeting sizothola insight about the governance ukuthi kuyenzakalani ku governance but looking at the policy or the ruling organization currently ANC inayo two centers of power but abayiperform. So thina ku MK currently mone portfolio organization, like for instance mina, let's say I am a chairperson award kumkhondo. I cannot be a chairperson yomkhondo ngiphinde ngibe ikhansela yomkhondo, ngizoreporta kulip office kulapho ngicala khona.
Okay ne
Ureporta kuwe
our account
anyway.
Our account, that is why I say there's so much lack of accountability, man. So much. And ngathi this time njengoba sizovota no bangalungisa izinto ezinjalo, yabo. I-budget ikhona, man. It's not like ayikho i-budget and take them to ama workshops nibafundise ngama portfolios.
No, I think we need to advocate for young people to run for councillor candidacy this year. These local elections. If we can have more young people running for councillor candidates, I think we're gonna have financial stability as young people, and more young people are gonna get employed on the government sector. Because if kuzoba no councillor uThepang una 22 or una 25, uThepang uyintanga yami, uyazazi ikhalo zami, uyazazi idingo zami. So yena ngeke athande njalo mina ngizocela kuye, but instead she or he will provide umsebenzi ukuthi and not bheka izane phepha so riza no matric wakho lapha ku government endaweni so ngiyacashwa hambe endaweni so. So mekuzoba nabantu abayang abaphethe u governance, angeke baze bacasha abantu abadala, never. Then youth unemployment rate is decrease.
Yeah ne Grootman ngashona amalanga
ayiphele
yeah ngashona amalanga yabo basically phase basically where we are getting to know you. I think everyone man just begelele that has many insight kahle ukuthi unjabulo ubani and ne level of understanding yakho ye politics. Obviously sebeyayibona no
yeah I think so, even though we haven't
asikakangeni no sisascratcha nje ngifuna ukukudedela ne but before ngikudedela ngifuna ukuk-invite let's talk about the office we representayo manje in a political space.
We organization. Right. Currently, I'm within Youth League.
Okay.
I'm within Youth League structure in a sub-region level. So I'm the coordinator. Messi Bizanges Politic, but basically coordinator is Secretary General.
Okay.
Mrs. E normalizer constitutional. So yeah. Me coordinator of Young Lions within the sub-region. I also hold a membership officer in a ward level. So a wardini, ni membership officer and the general member.
Okay. Nice.
But basically, my main portfolio is a Youth League sub-region coordinator.
Yeah.
Secretary General. Umshayidi wenqola.
Okay. Yeah. I'm actually saying that I'm inviting you because benikalela ukuthi i-conversation yethu or i-sit down yethu elandelayo ibe based on a position that you are actually representing. Yeah. So my questions will be much based on lento leyo, and I tell you we will sit before my elections. Yeah, because ngifuna ukugrill up before elections.
Izoba interesting.
Izoba
more interesting.
Yeah.
Izoba more interesting. I loved it.
Okay.
I loved it. I appreciate it.
Please so guys, nani nivile ke portfolio yakhe ke ukuthi injani sizombiza kwakhona, and ama questions wethu esizobe siwa director kuye same day abuya are going to be based on the portfolio yakhe. We won't ask him about anything outside the portfolio. So if ever there's any questions that you'd like me to add kula ngizowa prepare guys, please feel free, whether ningang WhatsApp icon number when you search nje for MK kuma socials wami number icon, please ngithumelele WhatsApp or comment kuyo le episode le loma questions lawo yabo, na obviously ngizokuthumelela ama questions prior for you to prepare because angifuni ukuk-attack. I want us to
noma yiphi budonda.
yeah
Noma yiphi.
yeah so please bafethu but okubalekile futhi okunye please don't forget to subscribe ni comment as I've said ni share this post guys nenze sure ukuthi yafikelela nakubanye abantu niyenze nani. Are you on social media?
Okay, yeah, I am on social media platforms, but
Okay.
angikho kakhulu
Awukho active
Yes, I'm not that active, but
Okay.
ngiyatholakala kuma platforms.
Okay.
Ku Facebook,
Yeah.
Njabulo Snahom, straight.
Yeah. UMK as well as Ipiliso Foundation. Piliso is my surname. As well as the Piliso Foundation will be doing a second annual yethu. Yeah. Akusuzuba walk this time. It's going to be circular back to the Eastern Cape. Yeah, we want to partner nama political parties. Basically wonke political parties we want to partner with them because le ndaba ye local elections it's iphayi yethu sonke or iphayi ye political parties zonke yabona. And I like the part where you are mentioning ukusebenzisana kwama political parties for the benefit ye community yabo. Yeah, we'll be doing a campaign that's going to be mainly about the benefit ye community, but then siyozama ukwakha or introduce a project ye computer lab in the Eastern Cape yabo. Yeah, sizama ukuphucula Eastern Cape ngazo zonke indlela that imcondo wethu uzokhona ukufikelela ngazo yabo. So as I'll be doing layer work layer point so that masesifika kulama towns la, because when you're looking at the poster it says from Thokoza ePolar Park I'll be going to Heidelberg yabo, and then from Heidelberg it's going to be the next town yabo. So from here at Thokoza ePolar Park we want to kube na some sort of, I don't know if it's going to be an event now or what, but then like seeing ndezothatha isikhathi sibhaya where you guys from ama political parties la when you are representer or la wazobe partnering nathi, you going to come and listen to expectations zabantu that are going to vote for you, and if ever you're going to also promise them nani ukuthi voting for us or ukuvota nje in general, you don't have to vote for MK or EFF or in, but ukuvota nje in general important ngani, yeah, and stuff. So we'll be doing into kanjalo. Okubalekile, we want to encourage abantu abasha ukuthi bavote, because when you are checking ama stats over the years siya drop
but it turned out ibe iningi ngo 2024
ibe iningi,
young people voted more than abantu abadala.
Yeah,
checking of our states, I think it was 70% if not 80% young people. Yes.
Yabo, which asichubeni ngalendlela le. So we'll be doing that from town to town. So kungaba grand ke if ever yonke town esifika kuyo there's going to be representatives zalo ma political parties.
No, I'd love to be part of it.
Please,
personally, before the organization. Yeah, I'd love to be part of it.
Please, guys, asambile.
Now, I'm the advocate of the organization, and I'll make sure that the MK is represented.
Khona lapho.
But mina, nakanjani.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukuzithola lapho Shove, Eastern Cape.
So 28 ka September from 6 ekseni. See, i-send off izawuqala from 6 ekseni yabo. I don't know ke ukuthi makusekufika abantu kwayenzeka the event whatever ye send off ukuthi izothatha isikhathi singakanani, but then I'm supposed to be leaving gate 28 yabo, gate 28 zaka September.
Hayi nakanjani September October, at least kusase no October no
November before elections
bazong so babhalele letter ningicolele bafethu senizwila nge28 ngiyahamba ngiyoshovi bicycle ngiyojima manje ngicala manje.
Okay, ndiyabulela kakhulu. Yeah, guys, please subscribe on bafethu. You've seen their post a show ukuthi nge28 I'm going to be leaving. It's on TikTok, on Facebook. It's even here on YouTube. When you are looking at my post here on YouTube, icon, not my videos, but my posts.
My posts.
Yeah, icon. So for anyone abazothi awusitshelanga like last year abantu bebathi kule bengiyenze early ukuthi we didn't know about it and stuff, but I was communicating. Just that ke maybe there's a specific way kufanele ucommunicate ngayo.
Yes.
I don't know ukuthi
nakuma radio station imeli yo advocate ukuthi announce, but since it's the second one izoba inkulu kunale
izoba inkulu
so nathi kumele sibone ukuthi sinceda kanjani ukuthi ibe well known, because akusinto encane kusuka la ke Eastern Cape even west iyakhulisa because inesikolo phakathi and it's for young people. So if thina young people from indawo la uphuma kuyo support, how do you expect labo abanye bewezinye indawo ukuthi support? So kumele kube yithi sihamba nawe.
Yeah, of which emotional blackmail that I'm giving to the Eastern Cape as well, because da sizoyenza khona our first computer lab ilangizalelwe khona. So ngiphuma khona la, so if ever it's not gonna happen khona lapha, like it's not gonna start ekhaya, I don't know ukuthi yoqala
be a problem.
Same applies guy. If ever izinto ezigrand are they not going to happen khona ekhaya,
it's gonna be a problem.
It's gonna be a problem.
Sizoyipushela ntomdala.
Fit.
Salute.